Okay, what's wrong with the screen? Seriously now. What's going on? I'm gonna come back. Okay, good. This is gonna be my third avatar because number one, the first video was too long. Number two, second video, I didn't like it. So I'm gonna start a new one. I already played this. This is gonna be my third time. I'm gonna get you back. I'm gonna come back to you. Oh god, okay, this is too loud. In a couple of seconds for you, but an hour. It's not really an hour, but just felt like saying that, so yeah. Okay, I made a new avatar. His name is Maroon Bean. That's how he looks like, okay? I'm just gonna go with it. I already did this, but I felt like you guys felt like doing it just because I didn't upload. I deleted 2 other videos and you didn't see this part, so I'm gonna just, let's go. Oh. Welcome. With 2 credits in this gold medallion that looks like a hot air balloon. Is everyone aboard? No, is everyone ready? No. 100k cool costumes, I'll show you how to look. You go here, right? Say, this dude, commentator. See? I want his belt. I stole your stuff, man. There. My customizing. Show you how. I already did that. Okay. Okay. You get it? Okay. We're ready. On your marks. Get set. Go! Woo! What a great start. Yo, Neil, the Red Baroness. The Red Baroness? Sorry, you threw a wrench in your planes. Look, they're gonna look like they don't care. Oh no, we're going down. Okay, now they look like they care because they weren't talking. This music though, it's so horrible. Where am I? In the middle of nowhere. Duh. Thank you. You can speak monkey, okay? Well, you can understand monkey. Now jump. Hiya. Ooh, front flips for days. Why did you do that? So basically the max that my videos can be is 15 minutes. I'm gonna try to remember that, but if I can't, I can't. And then my video's gonna get, it's not gonna upload. Then it's gonna say, I'm so sorry. This video is too long. You need to make it shorter, okay? That's not. We're almost perfect. Can you help me get down? No, no. Okay. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I know. Can't this game recognize that I already played it? Boom. Boom. I think he's onto something. Definitely. Wait, can I steal like the... Boom. Jump on her head. God damn it. Free at last. Just need the right tool to fix the wrench. Get the wrench from the crab. Eat. Go with the crab. Follow your inner crab. A. Wait, can I make the monkey? Haha! I'm heavier than monkey. You can't go nowhere, right? You can't go nowhere. Where you go? Where you go? And drop the wrench. Just mind now. Where did you go? Almost ran out of breath there. Grab the... Oh, me ninja! You could definitely hear that in the background. I don't know if you could actually hear that, but... I think so. Okay. Now where do we go? Oh, yeah. I found a wrench. Want me to show you how to use it? No. Look at my eyes. Oh, thanks. Figured it out. This is my third time doing it. I did it. Without even touching it. Wow, I'm a master. Are you proud of me? Monkey's coming with us, I guess. Up and away. And it breaks down. Oh, of course. The engine, maybe it wasn't just a propeller. Then the engine just explodes right in your face. Oh, A. There's got to be another way off this island. Probably. This is a tropical resort. Wow, mind blown. Of course it is. Okay, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying to make this video not be 15 minutes, because my first video was 23. Fellow adventurers. Mango. Not uniform in front of our guests. Scat now, you peasant. We can't stay. We have to win the flying ace race. A race, say. That reminds me when I was a young adventurer. The coast sure. Speed of dialogue, sure. Yeah, you're talking too slow now. Yeah. Fundamental? Yeah. Alright. Done. That's what I did. Okay? That's how I ended up at this resort. But I did worse. You want to re-enter the race. Yes, can you help us? Of course, just bring me some robe, a cloth, and a refreshing drink. A robe, cloth, and a drink. We could do that. I think that's what she said. Quit reading the bell. I'm right here. Of course you are. Where else would you be? Up. Somewhere taking a nap. That would be weird. What if he's actually gonna take a nap at this game? Whoa. The monkey doesn't even care. How did you not see that branch right there? I just need to pull hard. Oh, God. Okay. Boom. Just don't know my own strength. Whack. Rope. Okay, so I got rope. Now I just need cloth. Then a refreshing drink. Oh. Yeah, cloth. Stop! I just ate breakfast right now. No, not breakfast. What am I talking about? Just upper. Okay? Just say supper.
Little teddy bear you.
Shut Mama?
Little teddy bear you.
I'm your teddy bear. Oh my god. I feel so special.
So special.
So special.
So special.
So special.
Ще б розговаривала красиво. Так было бы не такой special.
Woo!
Very special.
Very, very super duper special. Super boo, Mama.
А тебя тоже убил.
That was my mommy. I love my mommy. Mama. Mommy. Drink. So I have. That was a good little interruption.
Хасик, мы едем в банк, слышишь меня?
Where is this dude? He's sleeping. I told you he'll take a nap. I told you. I knew it. Yeah, what? Nothing was cold and here goes my best work comes in here at the plant. Nice. I'm so sorry. I'm gonna close the door now. You can probably still hear that, but a little bit less. Nice. Yeah, I'm gonna leave this episode here, so yeah. Bye-bye.